Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a good day, night while you're watching this video. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a collective haul of all the things I've bought in the last 2 months. I'm going to show you what I've spent my money on in the last 2 months. I'm gonna get started with the video. I'm so excited for this. The first thing I'm going to show you is this bag. I literally just got this quite recently. I actually got this off TikTok shop. Just this black like leatherish bag. I have this bag charm on it that I got from Primark. It's pretty cute. This is like a longer strap, but it has like so much pocket. There's a zipper in the back, there's a zipper in front, and it has 2 zips compartments on the inside, and it's quite spacious. I've only used this like a couple of times. It's pretty nice to have. I always wanted like a bigger bag for like when I want to go to a cafe to like journal, maybe get some editing done. Like I don't have a bag big enough to fit all my supplies, so I wanted a bigger bag, and I'm glad I found this one. Before we get into the rest of the things I spent my money on, I'm gonna quickly show you the things I got given as my birthday gift. My birthday was back in October, but I didn't see my friends for like months. They just gave me my gift last month. This little bag, it's so cute. This is time to celebrate. This is from one of my close friends. She gave me this spray. It's Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. It's so cute. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like. I love the little flower. I wasn't expecting this, so imagine my surprise when she was like, oh yeah, I got you a gift, and I was like, okay, cool, what is it? And it was a freaking Marc Jacobs spray, because I've always wanted a Marc Jacobs spray, and she knows that, and she got me one. Like, thank you so much. And we have more in the bag. She knows my obsession with claw clips, so she got me 3 claw clips. This pink one, kind of like yellow and gold one, and also like this one is like a baby pink, and they're so cute. I love claw clips so much. And she got me a birthday card in here. It's really cute. Also, I love that the envelope matches the bag. She got me like a card with this little cat on it, and it's so cute. She got me this little cat paw bag charm, because we love bag charms. I was gonna put it in my bag, but I wanted to show it to you guys first. And when I went to her house, she gave me a bunch of stickers. Now she got me is this little souvenir from Milano, Italy, because she went to Italy back in January, and she got me this pink moped. Like, that's so adorable, and I can put this on my bag as like a charm. And the last thing she got me is a jewelry. She got me this earrings. It's like bow and stars, and the gold and silver, which I really love because I do wear gold and silver jewelry. And I met my friend last week Wednesday, and we exchanged birthday gifts because our birthday was in September and mine was in October, and we haven't seen each other since May of last year. She gave me my birthday gifts, and I'm gonna show them to you guys because this is amazing. Firstly, she got me a book, And Now Back to You by BK Boris. This literally came out last week Wednesday, and we saw it in store, and she got me this book, and it's so cute. This is the Works edition. It's got like little sprayed edge. I'm so excited to read this book. She got me a tote bag. It's a bookish tote bag because we love books. She also got me a reading journal. It comes with reading tabs to like annotate, and it comes with a book tracker. And on the other side, it has a reading list. My current reading journal is this one from Clever Fox. I love the color so much. This is gonna be my next one, and I'm so grateful for this. She knows me so much. She knows I love cherries so much. So when she saw the socks, they have like little cherries on them. They're so fluffy. She was like, she had to get that for me because she just knows like I would love them. And she also got me this pack of socks. They have like flowers on them. I love the little lace. Next thing she got me is this little like charm thing. It just says K on it. K for Kerry. She went on holiday also, and she got me this little tattoo. She got me this little pink tattoo, and it lights up in the dark. She got me a keychain. It says in my bookish hair. It's like this purple glittery color. She also got me a bracelet. So cute, and it's like a little heart. Like, that's adorable. I'm still like grateful for all those gifts. And the last thing she got me is this rose bookmark. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Thank you so much for my gifts. I know she's gonna watch this video because she's always watching my video. I got this earrings. It's like flowers. Like super cute earrings. Also, when I ordered my bag from TikTok shop, I didn't want to pay for delivery, so I just bought like a bunch of stuff. I got this nails to wear for my concert. I'm seeing Live literally in 2 days. Today's Monday. I'm seeing her on Wednesday, and my mind is like blown. I know what I'm gonna wear, so I'll probably try to vlog it for you guys. I got this like little paper for journaling. There's like a bunch in the pack. I went to Waterstones. I think this was back in January. I saw this little 2026 diary, and it has like books all over it, and I'm like, this is so me. Like, I love reading. I love books. There's books on the back also. I love that it closes like that. From Flying Tiger, I got this 100 series movie journal to like review movies. I haven't used it yet also because I haven't been finding good movies to watch. But basically, you just like review the movies you watch in here, and I think that's a fun way to keep track of the movies I watch. One of the things I got is a word search, because I used to do this all the time, but then when I was moving, I lost my word search book, and I was like, I want a new one. I've done like 11 pages already because this is so fun for me. I just love doing this. So I have this bag here. This is a random bag from a bubble tea shop. I just put all my stuff in here because I don't have anywhere to put them. I got this from the Works. They're like stamp stickers, and I think these are so cute to use for like letters and also for journaling, because I want to write more physical letters to my friends this year, because I think, like, why not? I got this new journal from Kenji. This is such a nice color. I picked it out with one of my friends because I didn't know what to pick, and she was like, this is cute. So I got this journal. I actually want to use this journal for Sisterhood of Traveling journal. I don't know if you've seen that on TikTok, where basically someone starts a journal and then you pass it around to like different people and they fill in the journal page. So I want to do that with my friends, and I wanted to show you guys the journal before I start making the pages. I got this fairly recently. It's just a weekly planner because I like to plan my stuff and be organized and use that space for like to-do lists and stuff like that. And B&M, I got this UV LED nail dryer. Just when I paint my nails, I can use it to dry my nails. So from the Works, I got this mini scrapbook. I'm not totally sure what I want to use it for because I had an idea, but then I scrapped the idea. I just have this brown scrapbook. So from the Works, I got this origami pad because look at all the different patterns it is on it. It comes with 408 pages, which is so good, and this was only £5. Next thing I got from Vinted, it's a portable photo printer. This is the paper it comes with to like print. This is the mini printer. You just put in your bag, you take it out. It's perfect because I print out pictures for my journal, and I was like, I'm spending so much money printing out pictures. It would be nice to have like a portable printer, and I found this on Vinted for a good price. Right now I'm gonna move to this brown box. You might be like, what's in this box? It's skincare. I ordered from the shop called Pure Soul at the start of the year, and then I went in store and get some more stuff. So I want to show you guys what I got online. Firstly, this is not from the skincare shop. This is a bunch of prints and paper that came with my little portable photo printer. This is the first thing I got. It's just like a serum for like aging and wrinkles and stuff like that. This is not a skincare, but I got this Terra Cushion foundation from Pure Soul. It's just a pink one. It's so cute. I haven't tried it on properly yet. And then I got this Pore Eraser Clear BPH pads. These are just like toner pads. I ran out of my skincare. That's why I made like a massive like skincare purchase. As if not, I wouldn't buy all of this, but I've literally run out of everything. I've never tried the toner pads. I've always just had like the little one in the bottle. So I'm excited to try out toner pads to see how different it is from toners in the bottle. I got a little freebie. It's a color correcting serum. I got this mini centella toner. I'm thinking this would be perfect for like traveling, and I got 2 more toners because for some reason I ordered a bunch of toners before I realized, oh wow, I just only got toners. I already ordered them and they were already delivered, and I saw the box and I was like, wait, why did I get like 5 different toners? I don't know. This brand has been recommended to me when I went in store. I like to get things like the mini size first to see if I like them enough before I get like the massive size. That's why I got mini size of this toner. I'm gonna show you the little things I got from the shop. I just got 3 things. First thing I got is this dark spot hurting glow serum. I got a little mini sample with my online purchase and I loved it, so I decided to get the bigger size of it. So we just got that. I also got this Pore Plus dark spot serum by the brand Salimax because I've tried this brand before and it was pretty good. Last time I got this cleansing foam. This is one I've been using since like July of last year and I've really loved it. I'm just gonna show you some more random things before I move on to things I got from Sephora. Firstly, I went to the Works and I got this little wax seals. I use them in my journal, so I got this gold ones. That's the only ones they had. I got this wax stamp. It's a love heart wax stamp from the Works. And from Kenji, I got this heart pattern press. I got this brow pencil from Superdrug. It's by the brand Revolution. This is their precise brow pencil. I got this as a free gift. Just a little like charm on it. Like, that's so cute. I like the colors in this. So I'm gonna show you guys the things I got from Sephora because I did damage. The first 2 things I got from Sephora are this Gisou lip oil. They're in the shade Cherry on the Cake. I've always wanted to try the lip oil so bad, and I love this shade so much. I got this Summer Friday bottle balm in shade Iced Coffee because I have a friend who uses Summer Fridays and she like raves about them, and I'm like, okay girl, you've put me on, I want to get this. It looks like that on the inside and it's like a brown color. So I got this Road Pocket blush in the shade Plum. I've been seeing like people rave about it for like years, so I was like, this is the shade for me because I love the shade so much. I've tried it out like twice and I love it so much. It's just so tiny. You could just pop this in your pocket. It's such a nice color. We're gonna move on to the crazy amount of lip products from Rhode. I'm gonna start with the Peptide Lip Shape, which is like lip pencil. I got 3 of those in the shade Stretch, Balance and Bend. 3 lip pencil. My favorite one is definitely the Stretch one because it's the darker brown. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a little pencil with like the pencil on that side, and then on this side it's like a little brush to blend your lip liner in. I'm gonna show you guys the Peptide lip tints. I got this one. It's in the shade Toast. It just looks like that. I got 2 of the same shade because I'm probably gonna give one of them to my sister. I got another one. This is in the shade Salty Tan. It's like this pink one. It's quite nice. This is my favorite shade. It's Raspberry Jelly. It's really nice on. And my second favorite is probably, this is in the shade Espresso. I don't know if it's camera is picking up, but it's orange. It's in the shade Peach Pete, but it actually doesn't look orange on. The last one I got is also a favorite of mine. It's this pink one in the shade Ribbon. This is such a cute pink one and it smells so good. This pink one I love so much. I'm gonna do a quick Victoria's Secret haul because I went crazy for like the Victoria's Secret sale in January. I got this velvet petals because I really like the way it smelled, and I was like, that's a nice one. That's a cute like packaging on it, which I really love. I also got the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Spray. This is my top favorite from Victoria's Secret. With that, I got the Bare Vanilla lotion. I've had the lotion like the mini size and I really like loved it, so I just got the bigger size. I've never seen this there before, but I saw this Victoria's Secret Vanilla Lace. It's creamy vanilla and warm musk, and I was like, that sounds so good. And I tried the spray and I was like, that's fantastic, like that smells so good. Kind of smells like the Bare Vanilla, but different, which I really love. So I got the spray and the lotion. Then I got 4 more vanilla sprays. But like, I'm not gonna keep all of this. This is a gift for like my mom and my sisters. That's my quick Victoria's Secret haul. I got this like jewelry order from B&M. I got 4 of this. I'm gonna give 2 to my mom and I'm gonna keep 2 for myself to put my rings in, and like earrings and something. I just thought it was like cute. This one's like a darker pink and it was like a baby pink. I got this online from the Glossier website, so they gave me this little pink pouch. They're like, would you like a little pink pouch? I was like, yeah. And I got a little sticker. I just got this sticker from Glossier. What I got from them is their sugar and spice balm.com duo. They're the peppermint back balm.com and the ginger snap balm.com, and they come in like this little thing, which is like, I love for storage. Like, that's so cute. This is what they look like. Just got this diffuser because I was like, this would be nice to clear the hair. I went to B&M and I got this little mushroom lights because it really looks so cute, like above my bed. But like as decoration, I have like a bunch of mushrooms on my wall and like my shelf, so I was like, this is cute, this match with the theme, so I'm gonna be putting this up. It's just like little mushroom lights. It says press here. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it lights up. Also from B&M, I rebought this mini desk lamp. It's just like a little mushroom desk lamp. I've had it before, but I accidentally like dropped it and the wiring on the inside broke and it stopped working. And also I got this mini mushroom light. Like, that's so cute. It looks like that and it lights up. Also from B&M, I got this LED candle with wireless speaker. It's so nice. It's like glass. It has like different light setting. Like, you can dim it, you can make it brighter. From the Works, I bought this wall hanging thing. I have one up there, but this one you make it yourself. You do like yourself from scratch, and I was like, this would be nice to do because, like I said, I'm trying to like doom scroll. I think this would be like a nice thing to do, to like just get off my phone for like a couple of like, maybe like an hour or something. So I got this Blocks in Bloom. They're kind of like Lego dupes, so you like put it together and it looks like that. I just bought different ones. This one is Winter Rose. This one is White Winter Berries. This one is Winter Queens. Like, that looks so cute. Kind of reminds me of like Buttons. Winter Rose again, but like the red one. More winter berries and more winter berries. Something else I got for craft is this gold wire jewelry kit, because I haven't made jewelry since I was like in primary school, because I used to make them all down. I have like these big tubs of like beads, wires, so many different things. I always used to make jewelry. I would make necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings, and I haven't done that since I was like 10 years old, and now I'm 20, which is like crazy. So I'm like, I need to get back into like childlike craft again. So I just got this jewelry making kit and I'm so excited to try this out. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys the books I got. The first book I got is Sunrise on the Reaping by Susan Collins. This is the latest book in the Hunger Games series, and look at this, like under the jacket, it's so gorgeous. This is a Christmas book. It's called Jingle Bell Mingle by Julie Murphy and Sierra Suman. I've wanted a book by these authors. Also from the Works, we have a new release, Dear Debbie by Frida McFadden. But look at that sprayed edge, like that's gorgeous, that's so pretty. This is actually my current read right now, In Your Dreams by Sarah Adam. And I got Fearless by Lauren Roberts now, but look at that. This is the Works like special edition, and I already have the rest of the series in the Works version, so I was like, I had to get this to match. And this is also a new release that came out in January, Catch Her If You Can by Tessa Bailey, and this is the Works special edition. I read this a long time ago, but I just never bought a first copy, but I finally did. It's called Sounds Like Love by Ashley Person, which I really like, enjoyed. Till Summer Do Us Part by Megan Quinn, and then we have Hated Rivalry by Rachel Reed. I don't have to say much about this because this book is like taking over the internet. Made for Each Other by Lynn Painter. I read this book last year. I literally read this like 2 days ago on the last day of February. So You Can Play by Ali Izerwood. It's just like a very like short book. Look at what I found. Queen of Shadow by Sarah J Maas in this like cover, because they remade like the covers, but I don't find it like this old cover. Then I went to the library and I picked this up from the library. It's called Beer Town by Frederick Backman. So that's all the books I got so far this year. The last couple of things I got are from Hollister. I'm gonna start with this. I got 2 things in this delivery. I just got 2 scarves. Got this one, it's like pink and greyish from Hollister. It's so soft and fluffy, like that's so soft and fluffy, look at that. And we have this brown one also that I got from them, and I thought that's so cute, so soft. I'm gonna show you what's in this bag. Firstly, I got a dress from Hollister. This is my first ever dress from Hollister. It's just this black and white polka dot dress, and I thought this was so cute. And this is what I'm gonna be wearing for Livy's concert on Wednesday. I'm thinking like this is cute for like a concert because like polka dots, like the vibes are there. So I got some baby doll tops. I got this grey baby doll top, and I think it's so cute with a little like pattern on it. Like that's adorable. I love like tops with like pattern on them, and it ties in the back. I get my tops in a small. Next one is this brown one with a little like pattern like on the neck, which I think is so cute, and I love that. This is also in a small, and it also ties in the back. This literally the same one as the brown one, but in this color. They call it Mulberry on the website. I have the same exact top again, but like in a pink one. I've actually wore this one like once. Like it also has a design on the neck, but you can barely see because it's like a baby pink. This is like the color of the year for me. Pink long sleeve. It's pretty basic. It doesn't have anything. It's just like a pink one. First thing in this bag is this Hollister sweatpants. It says Hollister on the side. This is the same color as that top I showed you, the mulberry color. I have the matching fur zip up, and it says Hollister on it. It's like so nice. I love like the fur is removable, so you can wash it without damaging the fur, but it's so soft. I think I got this one in a large because I wanted like a baggy look. And from Hollister again, I have this grey sweatpants from them, and it says Hollister on the bum, which is like fun. I got this one in a small, long, but look at that, it's so cute. I love the writing across the back. And I got the matching zip up also, and it says Hollister in like this writing, and it's so cute. And also with the fur, you can remove the fur. I got the zip up in a medium. That's everything I got so far. This is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'm sorry it's just me yapping for like a very long period of time. Tell me if you've read any of the books I got. Tell me like what your favorite piece of clothing is. What's your favorite thing from this video? Let me know what type of videos you guys like to see from me. I'd love to do whatever videos you guys like to see. Please subscribe to support me. It's free to subscribe, like, and like the video to boost it. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.